According to Cole Turner, a drop shipping expert, in an interview with Oberlo, it's important for people to understand that you're building a machine. If you don't pump money into the system, you can't make it pump more money out. Drop shipping is a money multiplier. You have probably heard of drop shipping and asked what it is, how it works, and how best to make money from it. In this video, we will be answering all of these questions and many more. Keep watching. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Drop shipping is an order fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, the store purchases products from a third-party supplier, who then ships the items directly to the customer. Drop shipping is often seen as a no-hassle, get-rich-quick scheme, but it's not. It is a low-risk business model that allows you to sell products to your customers without incurring substantial running costs as a wholesaler would have. Because of these lower costs, it is easier to become profitable with drop shipping a lot faster than other business models. Like any other e-commerce website, it takes dedication to get your startup running and thriving. And if done well, drop shipping companies can become reliable and convenient partners to growing e-commerce businesses to expedite order and delivery. So this is how it works. In drop shipping, the customer places an order at retail price on your online store. You receive the order and place an order with the supplier at wholesale price. You keep the difference in cost. The supplier ships the product to the customer. It's just as simple as that. Drop shipping has a lot of advantages. For starters, there's less upfront capital required. This is its most significant advantage because you can launch your e-commerce store without having to invest thousands of dollars in inventory upfront. Drop shipping is also easy to start. You do not have to deal with physical products. As such, you don't have to worry about managing or paying for a warehouse, packing and shipping your orders, tracking inventory for accounting reasons, handling returns and inbound shipments, continually ordering products, and managing stock levels. Drop shipping also has to do with low overhead, and your location could be as flexible as you want it to be. A drop shipping business can be run from anywhere with an internet connection. As long as you can easily communicate with suppliers and customers, you can run and manage your business. You would also have the freedom to sell a wide selection of products. Since you don't have to pre-purchase the items you sell, you can offer an array of trending products to your potential customers. If suppliers stock an item, you can list it for sale on your online storefront at no additional cost. In addition, drop shipping isn't only just easier to test, it is easier to scale. The Research Institute Grandview research shows that drop shipping is still profitable, and it predicts that the global drop shipping market size will grow by 28.8% every year until 2025. This means it will be a $557.9 billion industry by 2025. There are several reasons for this hike in the interest in drop shipping, including the growth of e-commerce on mobile. Research on mobile retail by Statista shows that nearly 54% of all e-commerce sales are expected to be made on mobile devices. This is up from 34.5% in 2017. So if you're running a drop shipping store with a responsive and mobile-friendly site, you're well set to make money. There is also warehouse expansion, and of course, you know that the more internet users there are, the more potential customers you can target. So as you become established in your home market, you might want to consider expanding abroad. Overall, a realistic figure for starting a drop shipping business is estimated to be $280. Entertain the possibility of losing at least $500 before becoming profitable. The sampling and shipping of the products you intend to sell could cost anywhere between $200, depending on your niche. Depending on how big you want your drop shipping business to be, you may have to take another minute expense. To start a lucrative drop shipping business, choose a business idea, do competitive research, choose a drop shipping supplier, build your e-commerce store, decide on a business structure, get your finances in order, and market your drop shipping store. After this, you can begin building your online store, analyzing and improving your store to get customers. Also, offer excellent user experience (UX) and customer service to get your customers back for more. Dropshipping can be a lucrative business if you are dedicated. Many drop shippers make up to $100,000 per year with a successful drop shipping store. So, if your idea of being a successful drop shipper is to make $100,000 or more per year, you'll need to choose the perfect suppliers and build a brand. When you start drop shipping, remember that when you add value, you make money. Generating traffic and raising awareness helps your drop shipping business to grow. You'll boost your sales and become a sustainable online business by ensuring a steady flow of customers. What do you think about the drop shipping idea? Brilliant or not? Are there any disadvantages of drop shipping you would like to share? Do let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.